Welcome guys, welcome to our first Kone Antakshari Grand Finale 2021. You are the first guys who can be remembered in history, in future as a history that these guys were the first guys to win. So uh, I'll give it to Sudhir Prabhu, who is our president, and he can take over.
Thank you, Ajay. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Namaskar, Janakai. Mukhya javno Boston lagyashil Konkani Bandavanka. Miguel Nava, Sudhir Prabhu, and Miguel Dharmapatni Gita Prabhu. She's downstairs watching the program live. Okay. So we live in a town of Acton, about 30 miles west of downtown Boston. So we are proud Gurpurkars from the town of Ganjimat, about 20 kilometers from Bangalore. Yeah, hamgala very first virtual event and also very first Antakshari. So this has been so much fun, and I personally have been looking forward to this event. Please extend a great round of virtual applause to Padma and Ajay Shene for this initiative, and also the effort which has gone into this to make it fun for all of us. I'm sure and I hope this will become at the very least additional Kone annual event. Regarding this costume, this was from Diwali 2019 cameo, being a genie with the lovely Nartakis of New England, and has now become my pandemic weekend outfit. With that, I will yield back to Ajay and Padma. Good luck to the contestants. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhir.
Thank you. So we have 4 teams in the final. So I'll let each team introduce themselves in the order of A, B, C, D. And you can tell something about yourself and your town and your team name and anything you want to share. So team A, go ahead.
Miguel team now in Minatika, Miguel now Anil Shenoy. Have Udpacha originally at Hanga Volpolar Aptasa since the last 10 years. And this is my wife Vinaya.
Namaskaru, Miguel now Vinaya, Hava Karkala Dukum. Dhanyawad.
Thank you, team A. Thank you, team B. Native singers.
Namaskaru, I'm Shanta and आम्ही नेटिक सिंगर्स हांव शांता आणि प्रशांतू आम्ही हांगा नेटिका रावचे आणि ओरिजिनली इंडियान तू हांव नासिका होड गेलेली प्रशांत बॉम्बेचो फ्रॉम मुंबई आणि मिगेल मँगलोरची आणि आन उडपीचो सो वी आर इन अंताक्षरी कोणे अंताक्षरी व्हेरी एक्साइटेड थँक यू व्हेरी मच
Thank you.
नमस्कार
All right, team C.
नमस्कार आम्ही ताज आणि करची मेगल नाव पूजा केनी
प्रकाश केनी
आम्ही श्रूसबेरी मॅसेच्युसेट्स अंतशा आम्ही यूएसआय येवनो अराउंड 10-11 years जाला हांव फिजिकल थेरपिस्ट बाय प्रोफेशन
हांव सिस्कोंत काम करता आसा आम्ही बेसिकली फ्रॉम Bangalore but we both were brought up in Bangalore.
Okay, nice.
We're very excited to be here.
All right, team D.
नमस्कारू हांव अविनाश भट हे मेगेल बायल अक्षता हाय आम्ही बेडफोर्ड मॅसेच्युसेट्स आसाची सुमार एक 10 वर्ष जाला आमकां घेवन आमगेल टिमा नाव बॉब मार्ली सिंगर न्ही आमी बॉब मार्ची तर्जिकेची आमी बॉब मारले आमकां दोन चेडू आसाची एकली भितरी आयपॅड दोन बिजी आसा आनी एकली 10 म्हयने सांज चेडू हांगा गुंत आसता मदें मदें पळोवंक येता आसता वचून हांव ओरिजिनल इंडियान तू शिमोगा दकुनो
आणि हांव कारकळा दकुनो मस्त खुशी जाल्ले सगळ्यांक मेळून वी आर व्हेरी एक्साइटेड कोणी अंताक्षरी फायनलाक
All right. Thank you. सगळ्यांक सो दिसता उडपाच मस्त जान आसाची कारकळ मस्त जान आसाची आणि बॉम्बेचे एक आसा सो प्रशांत you are not alone. I'm and Padma like born and brought up in Bombay, but I'm Ajay Shenoy. I'm gonna be doing the rounds. आणि मेगेल बायल पद्मा शेनॉय ती जज स्कोरिंगाक तर तिगे लाग लायकोन आसा सकाळी आणि सो हांव मेगेल विशय सांगता हांव बॉम्बे दाखोवन बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप बट मेगेल आन कारकळचे आनु कारकळचे आम बॉम्बेचे सो We are doing this first time and we are enjoying. Padma, you want to say something?
Hi, Miguel now Padma Shane. Miguel roots both Karkal and Bailur specifically. Karkala lagi as Bailur and Udipintu, but born and brought up in Bombay. So happy to be, hosting this event for Kone final, Antakshari final.
All right. So Amishur Korea, first round for audience. So the round now Vastu Shastra. Okay. So now Vastu Shastra. So the navantu Vastu ne Vastu asa. Yes, Akshata.
Sorry, before you start, amgele team name kalchiki amgele caption.
That's okay. So you remember your team letter. So team A, I have Megala Gasanava. Because the caption galuk you will have to change Google settings. So it might be a little hard. All right. So first round Vastu Shastra. So now Vastu taki asa hantu. Okay. So आम्ही तुमके एक वस्तू दिताची तुम्ही त्या वस्तू अशील पद म्हणका. So Vastu should be in the lyrics of the song. Okay, so just to be clear, I'll give example. Padma tukka ek vastu ditta sitare. So can you show the example or sing the example?
All right. We are specifically a Ganpati song pick kella. It serves two purposes. Obviously, everyone need good wishes for now for this grand finale, and second to do a quick demo around aja. Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha. ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है. परवाह क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है. धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे. करता साया तेरा ओ देवा श्री गणेशा, देवा श्री गणेशा, देवा श्री गणेशा, देवा श्री गणेशा. Good luck to all.
Thank you, Padma. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So now we can start. So तुम्ही पळेल असतला तिगल हंतु धरती अंबर सितारे. Sitare was in the song. So तशी तुम्ही म्हणका. तुम्ही सम फुल मुखडा म्हणल्यारी 60 points. If तुम्ही सम पद म्हणलं पण मुखडा फुल म्हणी जाल्यार 30 points. आणि रॉंग पद म्हणल्यार 0 points. There is no negative. Okay. पण फर्स्ट टीमाक वस्तू आम्ही दिताची as a judge. Okay. Once the first team is done, second teamaक first team दितला. So you are responsible for giving the next team the vastu. Okay. So don't
and change their destiny.
Yes. So I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm. All right. So you see a list of vastus, right? So these are the vastu. Hantu dakun tummi diu ka. Plural, singular chalta. So like chudi can be chudiya. Okay, but chudi cannot be kangana. It has to be that word only. Okay, juta, jute, those things can work. Okay. Okay, the key here is when you give the song, you give the vastu to the next team, you should know a song. Okay, like for example, team A, team B dittana, they should know a song of that vastu. Tani ottu kasani diu jayena. So if team B doesn't sing, team B gets 0. But team A has to sing and show that they know a song with that vastu. Naitla tanka negative 30 penalty asa. So try to find a vastu which is very difficult or only one song is there and only you might know. Okay, but other team may not know. Yes, Prashant.
So the vastu has to be in the mukhda, it can be in the antara.
It can be in mukhda, antara, anywhere. That's fine.
Anywhere.
But it has to be the right song. You can't change. Like last time, khana banaya aapne kaun ki madle pad tantu na ashil khana banaya aapne. So those things won't worry. It has to be in the song. All right. So let's start. So we'll go in the order of A, B, C, D. But okay, so team A doesn't have to give to team B. Team B can choose the vastu and the team. You can choose which team you want to give. You don't have to go in the order. Okay. You can give it to any team. Every team will get 2 वस्तू मिळता. So 2 पद every team. So you have a chance to score 60, 60, 120 points. All right. So not wasting any more time. So team A, तुम कामी वस्तू दित्ताची. So Padma, which वस्तू you want to give?
Telephone.
All right. Telephone. Telephone is your vastu. Team A. You can start. No? Nothing? Sure? Nothing? All right. Padma, you want to give the answer?
मेरे पिया Okay. Sorry, go ahead.
मेरे पिया चले रंगून वहां से किया है टेलीफोन तुम्हारी याद सताती है.
Okay.
वही बात.
It was very close.
Pass the song?
No, there's no passing. But
We can pass this.
No passing. But when now first one we give, so at the next time to team A will give to somebody, right? So that is the passing comes back to them. So they have to sing. If they don't sing, and they have to get minus. So it was very close. We are almost about to sing the same, but I believe you were trying to say, and so we agree. It is good song. It's correct song. So I'll leave the scoring for full or half, whatever, to the judge. So team A now. तुम्ही आता खंचे टीमा कसा वस्तू दित्ताची चूज करायची. तुम्ही बी का देऊ का म्हणून कोणाकडे देऊ येतं.
But you need to know the song if you are giving a word.
So you need to know the song. Okay, team A कोणा दित्ताची.
Team B, word is chai.
All right. Team Natic Singers, chai.
शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल दिल में आया है इसीलिए मम्मी ने तेरी मुझे चाय पे बुलाया है.
Good job. All right, team B, तुम्ही कोणा दित्ताची.
पंख.
Team D. C. Okay. Team C, Page and Kanchi, पंख.
पंख.
जी करता है पंख लगा के उड़ जाऊं नीले गगन में बादल बन के छू जाऊं पैगाम में लाया सावन जी करता है पंख लगा के उड़ जाऊं.
All right.
That's
All
it.
right. I'll leave the scoring to Padma. Okay. One more thing. You can repeat the words. So now तुमक एक पद गोत असा पण त्या दुसऱ्या टीमान विंगड पद म्हणल्यार तुम्ही अनेक टीमाक त्यांची पद दिवूये तुमगेल टर्न येताना. Okay. The words can be repeated. Okay. All right. Team C. तुम्ही कोणा टीम D क दित्ताची. खंचे वस्तू.
टीम डी, टेलीफोन.
टेलीफोन धुन में हंसने वाली मेलबोर्न मछली मचलने वाली वो कितने सुर है तराशा मडोना है ये नताशा जाकिर से तबला तू है क्या सोना सोना
सोना
सोना सोना कंप्यूटर तुमको होना computer.
I think we have good. Yeah. Now you are just singing anything, but I think we can stop there. Okay, so I'll leave the scoring Padma verse sorta. So बाकी लड़ाई चे मुद्दे नका. Okay, so next team D. तुम्ही कोणा दित्ताची. You can तुम्ही कोणा के देऊ येता.
आम्ही बी का रुमाल दित्ताची.
Okay, Natic Singer रुमाल.
सर पे टोपी लाल हाथ में रेशम का रूमाल, ओ तेरा क्या कहना। जुल्फे उलझे बाल हाथ में हुन्नी जैसी चाल, ओ तेरा क्या कहना। सर पे टोपी हाथ लाल में रेशम का रूमाल, ओ तेरा क्या कहना.
Okay. All right. Good job, Team B. Lyrics मैं पद्मावर सोडता. Team B, तुम्ही कोण आदित्याची?
पंख टू एक.
Okay, इना मीना डिका पंख.
पंख होते तो उड़ जाती रे,
So try again.
You want to try again? Try again.
पंख होते तो उड़ जाती रे, बाल पंख होते तो उड़ जाती रे, अखिया वो बाल.
All right, good job. All right, Team A. Team C की Team D कोण आदित्य तुम्ही?
Kalam.
कोणाका?
To for the remaining ones.
No, C or D. You have to pick one.
Team D.
D. Okay, D कलम.
कागज कलम दवात ला, लिख दूं दिल तेरे नाम करूं. कागज कलम दवात ला, लिख दूं दिल तेरे नाम करूं. दिल क्या तू जान भी मांगे तो दे दूं, दे दूं, दे दूं, ये पहला काम करूं.
All right, good job. So last clue for this round, Team C, Team D खंचे दिताचे?
Okay, we're going to do the repeat of Rumal.
Rumal, Team C, last one.
हाथों में आ गया जो कल रुमाल आपका, बेचैन कर गया ख्याल आपका, आपका,
आपका.
All right, that concludes round one. Vastu Shastra. It was good. Everybody did good. There was no passing back.
I know, it was awesome. There was one song which was not in my spreadsheet anywhere. That Pooja tu khanchas madlel the song. I couldn't even research, Google it.
No, it is the Antra. It
I
is
think
the right
it
song.
is from
Madhekulan. Okay, huh.
No, it is the right song.
So, yes. I mean, it was
I don't
good.
remember, but I just got it randomly.
Prashant, I wanted to know which was the song that you were looking for Punk, because don't tima tu pankha dilla.
Okay, I can sing. पंख होते तो उड़ आती रे.
Oh, that was the same song. Okay, just wanted to
okay,
make.
that was the song, yeah.
Yeah, the
Okay,
first team
okay,
sang
all right.
completely different one, so they gave again. Smart, good job.
Okay. I know, I mean, this round, there were couple of songs where there were few words missing here and there, but again, yeah, warm up round Sheila, so I'm just like giving 120 to every team. So
All right.
all the best for the next 4 teams, but
All right.
this won't happen again, okay?
All right. So good job, everyone. So team second round, amgela sa re ga ma. Okay, sa re ga ma. So I will go over the rules first. Let me share first. Actually, that might help understand it. All right. तर तुमका पुरा जना सारे गम पधनी सा दिसतस, राइट? तरी या राउंडांतू एका राउंड there is only one round of this, and each team तुम्ही the order is B, C, D, A. Okay, B will go first and then C, D, A. तुम्ही या 8 सर्गमा दाखवून खंयचे एक पिक करका. सो वेन यू पिक त्या रेड मार्क काढता ताचे मागशी एक सिंगर और म्युझिशियनाल नाव आसा. ओके, तुम्ही त्या सिंगर और म्युझिशियनाला 2 मिनिटांतू जितले जात तितलं पद म्हणका. But let me help everybody because you will know how to think about this. So 2 मिनिटांतू 2 line. You don't have to sing the whole Mukhada, whole song. 2 proper lines of that song should be sung. Okay, to get 30 points per song. Okay, and then you can go to next song. If you are not sure if this is the singer, you can just sing it and leave it. आम्ही मागीर जज करताची during the half time whether it was the right song or not. But if you are doubtful, don't waste time in discussing with your partner. Just sing it and move on. Okay.
So negative, Rajay.
Negative now. So for how many right you sing, you get 30 points. Okay.
And I'll give a thumbs up to go to the next song. Okay.
Okay.
Just
And
as a cue.
other thing is, if it's singer musician, right? How you think about this? Like, don't get scared by looking at the name. Like singer, usually a singer is tied with the hero. So you can think of that hero song and just start singing. Okay. Music director also, usually one full movie is a same music director. So if you know that this music was this music director, that movie kitle tumko pad yetta, tummi त्या म्हणू येता. Okay. Don't waste any time in discussion because I'm not gonna stop timer. Okay.
When one person sings, other person can think of the next song.
So when एक partner sing करता, so दोघांनी sing करका म्हणना. One partner will sing, the other partner can keep thinking of what is the next song. As soon as he's done with 2 lines, he can start the next song. And just keep going. Okay, try to get as much songs as possible. यहाँ judge करूची के time लागतला आमका, so we will judge in the interval. But everybody clear, right? No questions?
Ajay, order कसं ना?
B, C, D, A. So native singers will go first, Paige Kanchi, Bob Marley, and then Ina Minadika. So we have already assigned order for all rounds, to be fair, and the letters were chosen by you guys. So first round we went with team A first, so now we are going with team B. Next round will be team C, so that will be the order for all the rounds. So because even though tum singer got na atta, you get time to see how others are doing. You can learn a little. So the first team has less advantage compared to the last team. But you won't know the singer till you tell. And as soon as I tell the singer, timer starts. All right. So everybody ready? All right. Team B, native singer. आपका कौन सा है सरगम?
Sa.
The small one or long one?
First one.
First one. All right. As soon as I open it, I will start the timer and I'll say timer starts.
मुझे आएगा.
Udit Narayan, timer starts.
पहला नशा, पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल. Oh. मैं निकला गड्डी लेके रास्ते से, सड़क पे
एक मोड़
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, तब बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो खंबे जैसी खड़ी है, लड़कियां खड़ी है, रास्ता दुनिया है फुलझड़ी है, पटाखे की लड़ी है, हाथों में गुस्सा है. उसके बाद से नेक्स्ट है मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुनाई दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की.
All right, time up.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. We'll judge it later.
Five
But,
songs.
so which team thinks they could have done better? No? I will see how you do when it's your turn. It's not that easy. You literally go blank. We have tried it when we were practicing, but you literally go blank even if you know all the Udit Narayan songs. But it was a good attempt. I would say it's a good attempt under pressure. So next is team C, Paige and Kanchi. What is your letter?
Ma.
Okay, let me keep the timer ready. You don't have to go in any order, okay? Ma, okay. Shankar Mahadevan, your time starts now.
The breathless Kanchi.
मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजड़ो न गे साधका मन मंदिरा. कोई जुमला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में रंगों की बरखा है. न न न कुछ याद कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बन के गुल खिल रहे हैं रंग सारे
खिल रहे हैं खुशबुएं. वारा सॉन्ग कंचे तने तुम चिन्ह डांस करता ना तने कृतिकनी वारा है.
जय जय शिव शंकर मूड है भयंकर है उड़ने दो मागे गणपती लोकांची पहिली एक सांगेल.
जय गणेश.
शंकर भगवान सांग
He can be music director as well. Doesn't matter.
वो शंकर ही है कंचे. Oh God.
आणि कंचं गेलं
कृष्णा नी बेगने पारो राइट कंची रहता है. Oh, they're colonial cousins. Yeah, but it's still they've not.
I don't remember.
Yeah, okay.
Time up. Dil Chahta Hai. You could have just sang all songs from that movie. All right, that's okay.
I know, like I said, you go blank.
I know. All right, team D, Bob Marley. Bob Marley खंचे सांगताची. Ray?
Sorry.
All right. Getting ready. Kishore Kumar, time starts now.
मेरी सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद सा टुकड़ा रहता है. अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा रहता है.
कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो, तुम ही तो लाए मेरा जीवन कोरा कागज कोरा ही रह गया, जो लिखा था आंसुओं के संग बह गया. रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई. सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँखुनी चलती नाम एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है दुखी मन मेरे सुन मेरा कहना जहां नहीं चैना वहां नहीं रहना दुखी मन मेरे एक चतुर नार कर बड़ी होशियार एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार अपने ही जाल में हंसत जात हम हंसत जात अरे
Alright, time up. Good job, good job. I think you got lucky with Kishore Kumar, or you are a Kishore Kumar fan, one of those. So good job. All right, last team A. क्या बचा है अभी तुम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? I don't know, but all the best. So आपका क्या है? ध. Bappi Lahiri. Your time starts now.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना मैं हसीनों का दीवान. Go on. Dirty Picture. That's also him.
He can be music director too.
यार वही तो प्रॉब्लम है उसका म्यूजिक का. Yama is not him.
You can just sing even if you are not sure and while you are thinking.
चुम्मा दे दे चुम्मा.
That's not him. That's not him.
No? Okay.
Christ. Jimmy, 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 आजा आजा. Jimmy, 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 आजा आजा रे मेरे पास. ना 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 ना. Jimmy.
Okay, go for the next one.
Nope, I'm drawing a blank on Bappi Lahiri. Worst of the lot.
Still have 40 seconds. Go ahead. Anything. Think of a movie or something.
आशा भोसले फिल्म नहीं केला.
I only remember the gold of him. That's it. Not good for anything else.
The Dirty Picture one, you can still sing that. That's right.
I know it's a Dirty Picture thing, but I don't know the songs. Oh Christ! No. Whew. Sorry, I give up.
Mithunal Kanchepa Dastapur. I don't know.
Ooh la la, ooh la la. That was the song you were trying. Unfortunately, Dhan ne dhoka de diya. So that concludes. So let me tell you what are the other singers you could have got, but you didn't. Shreya Ghoshal was one. Kumar Sanu was one. SP Balasubramaniam, if you had taken Knee, you would have hit the jackpot. SP songs are quite famous. And Asha Bhosle was the other one. But जो मिला वो मिला अभी क्या कर सकता है वही है बस. Alright. So moving on to third round. So third round is, okay, we'll score this song. We have to check all the songs to make sure if it is actually the right singer. So we'll do the scoring later for this round. So now going to the third round, it is Fata Poster Nikla Gana. Alright. इसमें we have six posters shortlisted. We'll show you. Okay, the hero and heroine Tantu face is not clear. Okay, so you have to identify first the hero and the heroine. Okay, then you have to sing a song in which from a movie, you can be from the same movie or any other movie in which hero heroine are those two guys. All right. Some clarification. Tanni padyant askamonna. All right. So if it is some combination and the song has somebody else, doesn't matter. If it's from a movie in which the hero and heroine are the main hero heroines, they cannot be side actor or a cameo and all. They should be the main hero heroine of the movie. And from that you can sing any song from their movie. All right. Everybody clear? All right. So you will have around 20. Yes.
Movie can be anything. Any movie can be same,
Yeah,
or
so
it can
if
be
it
any
can
movie.
be from the same movie for which I'm showing the poster, or it can be any other movie, doesn't matter. The couple should be the hero and the heroine in that movie. Okay. So if you sing, so the first 4 songs are dedicated to each team, but the other teams should also use buzzer. For example, this team, this round we are going with C, D, A, B, the order. So C will get the first choice. But when C is looking at it, I request all other teams to get their WhatsApp, and we'll use WhatsApp for our buzzer. So in the WhatsApp group that we have created, just put in your team letter. So if the team for which the song is dedicated, if they don't know, we'll go by the buzzer round and give the chance to the next team in the buzzer. All right, if you identify the hero, heroine and sing the right song, complete Mukhda, you get 60 points. If you identify hero, heroine, sing the right song but not completely, 30 points. And if you just identify hero, heroine and don't sing in 20 seconds, you get 15 points still, just for identifying the hero and the heroine. All right. And if you sing a wrong song in which they are not there, you lose 30 points. All right. Same scoring goes for the passing. So don't start singing until it's your turn. Okay. I will tell whose turn is it to sing, and only that team will sing. So just for testing. Yes.
So pass kartana, if there are 2 names in the list, pass kartana.
So
if the first one doesn't sing, it goes next.
Yes.
Buzzer.
Yes. So don't put in the buzzer if you're not sure. You will lose points.
Yeah.
Whoever is in the chat, if it comes to them and if they don't sing, you lose points. Okay. And so just for testing, can everybody put their team letter in the chat? All right, I got D, A, C, B. Okay. All right. And just to be clear, everybody has 2 phones. Keep 1 phone away, because I just want 1 phone per team. Because थोड़ा कोऑर्डिनेशन में भी झगड़ा होना है, नहीं तो मजा नहीं आएगा. अरे मेरे को मालूम था, तूने डाला नहीं. So 1 phone per team. So team A, Inamina Dika, which phone are you using? Anil Chenoy? Okay. Team B, Shanta or Prashant, which one are you using phone?
Prashant.
Okay. And team C is using Pooja? All right. And team D, which phone are you using? All right, Avinash. So I only look at that. Okay. So if your partner buzzes, I won't look at it. Okay. So this round, first we'll go with team C. Team C will choose which poster they want to take a shot. You have an option of 6 or 8 in which you can choose anyone. All right. And once you choose, you have time. You don't have to buzz. But others can still buzz. And if team C will get the first choice to sing, if they don't know, we will go to the next team. All right. Let me share. All right. So first is team C, Pez and Kanchi. Which number you want to try?
5.
5.
All right. So once you start, everybody else put in your team letter in the chat. Keep it ready to send. I'm putting question 1. All right. Everybody ready with the letters? I'm showing 5.
Amir Khan and Juhi Chawla.
And the song?
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
All right, that was easy. So good job. So next question is for team D. Bob Marley, what is your choice?
Two.
All right, everybody else keep ready to chat.
Salman Khan, Bhagyashree, मैंने प्यार किया। आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कहीं बार, होठों की कली कुछ और खिली, ये दिल पे हुआ है किसका इंतजार।
I just want to say I love you.
All right. So just a tip for other teams. When you pick, you can pick any song. Pick a song for which you know all the lyrics. Unnecessary गाना सब मालूम रह के you'll get half. Okay. So I'm not telling this is wrong, but I'm just giving a hint. Don't start singing a song. I will only take the first song you sing. So you can't change. So think before you start singing. All right, team A. Which is your choice?
1.
All right. Everybody else get ready to put in the chat your team letter. Keep it ready. Team A.
Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai, and Madhuri Dixit. No, is it Madhuri Dixit? Yeah, Madhuri Dixit. Devdas.
All right.
Bingo.
So
You
sing
can
a
sing
song
from any song in which any of those two are there, like one of the heroines and the hero.
Dil to Pagal hai. Bataswa.
हाँ
One.
जे संगीत ना देवदास सांग दो. अयो देवा.
That's it. Okay, no pressure. That's okay.
Chand Chupa Badal mein. Is that the same one? Chand Chupa Badal.
ना
No, that's it.
तंगेल
Na 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 na. Oh piya, oh piya.
दिल लगा दे ये पुकारे तेरा मैया
आ जाओ मेरे पिया, मेरे पिया. सिलसिला ये चाहत का जो तूने बुझ दे दिया. ओ पिया, ओ पिया. That's what I do.
Yeah, I'll leave it to the judge. But yeah, finally you got the main words at least. So I think it's I don't want to judge it, but
Brain space.
I know. Dil To Pagal was also a good one. You could have sang, but
I know, you knew that too.
luckily you didn't sing the Chand Chupa Badal mein. You would have lost 30 points. Luckily
I know,
you
I know.
stopped.
दिल दे चुके सनम.
All right.
I turn to Salman Khan. That's right.
All right. Good job. So going to the native singers. What is your choice?
Number 4.
All right. Everybody else, put your letters in the chat. If they don't know, you get a chance. Team B. डीप डिस्कशन हो रहा है बस. All right, tell me at least, tell the hero heroine.
Who is Jodha Akbar?
Hero
It's
heroine.
Hrithik Roshan.
And-
Oh, sorry.
Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai.
Okay. Song?
Correct.
You have to sing.
Yeah.
Pass करते.
Pass.
We'll pass.
Okay, you get 15 points for identifying. All right, so now going by the chat, I have Pooja next. So Team Page and Kanchi, you want to take a shot? Only one chance. Whatever you sing, you have to sing fast.
कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख कहरा है, फूल से खुशबू खफा कफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा के चिलमन में, सारे सहम नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धागे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं. ओ
Good job. Native singers, you could have sang from Dhoom also. Crazy Kiare or any of those songs. I mean, there are other movies in which they are, but okay. You played safe, I would say. You would have lost 30 points if wrong. Okay. So now next, I have two more clues that I will pick, and it's complete buzzer. There is no team dedicated first chance. So everybody has to be on their chat. Question 5. Put in your letters and be ready to put in submit it if you know it. All right, your clue is don't send before itself. All right, so I already got the chat, so you have to now tell team A, Ina Mina Dika. Hero, heroine, song.
Akshay Kumar and Katrina Kaif.
Good, correct.
Okay, this is Namaste London or something like that.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. And song. Oh, there's so many songs.
So your 15 points are set. If you sing a song, you get more.
Yeah. This, oh my God. This is where I draw a blank, man.
They have so many movies. You can sing anything.
I know.
All right, no.
That's
I
why
mean, you can just leave it at 15 and instead of singing the wrong one, but you pass.
Okay, pass.
Nothing? Sure? All right. Team B, native singers. You have a chance to sing the song.
मैं जहाँ रहूं तुम जो भी कहो, तेरी याद साथ है, किसी से कहूं या ना कहूं, तेरी याद साथ है, कहने को साथ अपने एक जन्नत एक दुनिया चलती है, पर दिल में इस दिल में तन्हाई पलती है, तेरी याद साथ है, तेरी याद साथ है.
लिरिक्स में थोड़ा गड़बड़ है,
मैं जहाँ रहूं.
You want to try one more time the lyrics?
या मैं जहाँ रहूं या कहूं, तेरी याद साथ मैं जहाँ रहूं. ओनली मैं जहाँ रहूं.
That's okay. I mean, the song is right. I'll leave the judging to Padma, but song is right. Full or half, we'll see. But team A gets 15 for identifying the couple. So you will get 30 or 60 depending on whatever the judge decides. So now last question. So as soon as I do question 6, you can put in, but if you don't know, you will lose 30. So I'm gonna submit question 6. Nobody is putting. It's good. I don't know if this is done, but let me try this. I got C, D, A, B. All right. Team C. Page and Kanchi. Go for it. अब तो डाल दिया, अब तो बोलना पड़ेगा.
शोले, हेमा मालिनी, अमिताभ बच्चन and Jitendra.
What?
Dharmendra, sorry.
Everybody, सबके आंखें खुल गई. All right. Song.
Tengari song kanchi Sati. Kanchi da Sati.
नाच ती कैसे डांस
नाच बसंती डायलॉग है पर
नहीं रहते हैं डांस कंची सा होता है.
इनको तो
All right, you have to sing fast.
Okay, I think we can pass now.
Okay. All right, team D, fast. You have to sing quickly.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
All right, correct. All right, that ends, I think, on this round. So now we will go for the halftime show. We'll have a 15-minute break, everybody. So you can take a break, eat or drink coffee or whatever gets you energized, because we have two rounds, which is more buzzer and it's audio visual. So it is going to be very, hopefully very competitive. So, and I think score wise, everybody is very close. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so you can take a break. It's 2:06, so we'll resume in 2:20. But now I'm gonna put some videos that we have for the halftime show, and everybody can watch it too. You don't have to necessarily take a break. You can just sit and relax and have a breather. All right. Thank you. Let me share.
Hi, my name is Amit Shinoy. I will be playing Für Elise by Beethoven. Welcome to the halftime show. Thank you.
You can never know what it's like. Your blood like winter freezes just like ice. And there's a cold lonely night that shines from you. So wonder like the right behind you, hide behind that mask you use. And you think this fool can never win? Look at me, I'm a coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Once and never could hope to win. Starting down the road, leaving me again. The stress of ways would just track me down. If my love was just a circus, you would be a clown by now. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vinay Kamath. I'm representing Team Parvane. I'm going to be playing a few songs for you. फिर नई शाम आती है तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी गहराती है तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना ना होना ही है। तू नज़्म सा मेरे होंठ पे आके ठहर जा, मैं कार सा तेरी आँख में जादू रे, तू इश्क सा मेरे रूह में आके बस जा, जिस ओर तेरी शहनाई उस ओर में भागू रे। ना ना Thank you.
Welcome back, guys. It was really good performances. So all these performances that you saw is all last minute things that our Kone members.
Purajana, like a big thank you to
Yeah.
Amit, Vinay Kamath, Sunil Prabhu. A very, very, very big thank you.
And Shriram.
Yeah,
also.
they were all awesome. We didn't know you had a girl baby too.
Ah.
Even he doesn't know that he was the girl in the song, so it's okay. So, yeah, I mean, you can decide who was the JLo, but I would say one of them was. So, it was a very good. Thank you, Amit, Sunil, Vinay, everybody. It was really good to have you guys put good performance at the last minute. All right, so going back, we have figured out all the scoring from the previous rounds. I don't know if Padma, you want to keep it secret or you want to tell it?
No, I think because those were like 3 rounds, so ek patti score sangta before we.
Yeah, so this will be the only time
go
we'll
to
tell
the
and then
next
we'll
round.
directly tell at the end. Okay, so go ahead.
Purajana, I don't see other 2 screens. It's
Yeah, everybody is there.
okay, all right. It was really like, neck to neck. All rounds were like super. So team B and team C, there is a tie. So donni teamaka 315 points. So team B, team C. And then team A, Tumgal point is 255. We still have 2 more rounds, so anything can happen now. Team D, you took like a very big lead in second round. So Kishore Kumar came to your rescue and your total is 420.
420, 420.
420, yeah.
All right, so going with that correct score, the next round is also correctly named as Golmaal.
Any questions regarding the scoring and anything? Nothing. Okay.
Okay, so next round is called Golmaal. So team 420, pay attention. So this round, you still have a lot of 2 rounds and there are many chances to sing. Just sing the whole thing. You can get 60 points and you can easily cover up. All right, so let's get started with the 4th round. The round is Golmaal. Okay, so I'll explain the round first before I start. So this is also similar to Fata Poster Nikla, where we'll dedicate each team a chance to take a first stab. And then if they cannot sing, anybody from the buzzer, whoever gets the passing score. All right, so the order is D, A, B, C. Okay, the round Golmaal, it's called Golmaal because what we will show you is a non-Hindi song. Okay, it can be English, can be regional language, anything. It's a non-Hindi song. There is a Hindi song inspired from this song. You have to correctly sing that inspired song. Everybody clear? Any questions? No? Scoring is still same. 60-30, minus 30 for singing the wrong one. Passing scoring is also same. So let's let me put in the chat.
They need to keep their buzzer ready, right,
Yes,
Ajju?
so everybody keep your chat open. Put your team letter ready to send. First, but the first 4 songs are dedicated to each team. So they get the first preference to sing without buzzing. So first clue is for team D, Bob Marley. So you have 8 options to choose from. All right, question 1 is in the chat. Everybody be ready to punch the you have to sing it correctly to get 60 full points. If you identify and sing half, then maybe 30. But if you sing wrong or you don't sing at all after putting in the chat, you lose 30. All right, Team D, Bob Marley, what is your choice?
2.
And this will be timed, so you have to sing within 20 seconds because we can't just give more time because the passing team will be getting more time to think otherwise. All right. So here's your clue. All right. Team D, Bob Marley, go.
तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके अरमा हुए पूरे दिल के ऐ मेरी जाने रहा
तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी एक जान है
साथ तेरे रहेंगे सदा तुमसे न होंगे जुदा.
All right, good job. All
So
right.
R.D. Burman was inspired by Leo Sayer. The the performer's name was Leo Sayer.
This I didn't know, but it was a good eye opener for me. All right. So next team is A. Team A, what do you want to choose?
5.
All right. Everybody else, keep your buzzer ready. All right, Team A.
This is from Akele Hum Akele Tum.
Bingo.
And Amir Khan and his son in this case. Tu mera dil, tu meri jaan. Oh, I love you, Daddy. Tu masoom, tu shaitan. But I love you, Daddy.
Good job.
Awesome.
Nice, very nice. All right, next
The
team.
singer is Jim Reeves, just for your information.
All right, next is Team B, Natick Singers. What is your choice?
The last one.
All right. Okay, everybody else get ready to put in the buzzer. Question 3. All right, Team B, Natick Singer.
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा.
Awesome.
Good job.
It's called Rabindra Sangeet. So apparently Rajesh Roshan, who was the composer, was inspired by that song.
All right. So next is Team C, Paige and Kanchi, for your dedicated choice. Which one you want to go for?
We'll go with 4.
All right. Everyone else, keep your letters in the chat ready and hope that Team C doesn't get it, so you get a chance to score extra.
What are you hoping, Biju?
I mean, everybody is buzzing, but nobody is getting a chance for any pass. So let's see. All right.
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लगाता कोई जाने तो या जाने ना माने तो या माने ना.
Very nice. Good job. I think I only see Team D in the chat. I'm not sure if the other two teams were playing safe or they didn't know it. It was a little tough.
album is called The Yellow Rose of Texas, and again our famous Mr. R.D. Burman was inspired by the Rose of Texas song.
All right. So now now the next song is complete buzzer. It's not preferred by any team directly. So everybody keep your letters in, ready to submit, but only submit if you know or you lose points. So we are done with, so I'm gonna go with the one. Everybody ready to buzz? All right, team A, Inamina Dika. Go for it.
This is again where R.D. Burman was inspired by this one. I can only see its inspiration. Okay. So it's ooh, महबूबा महबूबा गुल में गुलशन खिलते हैं जब सैलाबे मिलते हैं मैं और तू.
Good job. Good job. Nice one. So I see A, D, C, B, but A was the fastest in the buzzer, so they got the chance. All right. Now question number 6. All right. So here is your clue. Get ready to send your answers. All right. I have team A, D, B. A is the first, so A gets another chance.
So I think this is the group ABBA, and the song is Mil Gaya. Mil gaya humko saathi, mil gaya humko saathi, mil gaya. Oh, tere liye, zamana tere liye, aur to mere liye.
Correct song. Good job. All right. So I had A, D, B, C, but again A was the fastest. So good job there. So we had originally planned 6 songs, which I have done for this round. So Padma, do you want to go one more?
Do we have enough time?
Yeah, I have one more. Let's go one more.
Okay.
All right. So question 7. Last song for this round. And I will go with all right. So I have team D, C, B. D goes first. Go.
चाहा है तुझको चाहूंगा हरदम मर के भी दिल से ये प्यार न होगा कम तू Is this enough? Is it enough for?
Is it full? Padma?
You want to sing it again? Avinash, Adik Pati sang please.
चाहा है तुझको चाहूंगा हरदम मर के भी दिल से ये प्यार न होगा कम. वो का सांग काय?
येतसला सांग. मग ऐकू का? It's so good to ears.
No, we don't have time for that. If they are done, we can move on.
Okay, Anju, you want to sing, play one song for a live audience? I'm not sure if you can do that.
All right. But we can't check the answers because it's a delay. We'll have to wait. But I'll just play it.
Okay, this is for not scoring purpose. This is just for the live audience.
You can still buzz in, but let's see. So everybody knows this song, I guess.
Can you check on Facebook? I mean YouTube, Arjun?
We can go back, but there is around 2 minutes delay, so we'll have to see in the chat later. But so whoever is seeing on YouTube can just put in their chat. We can always go back to the chat and see who got it right. So yeah, I mean that song, original song is Chiranjeevi Sridevi, not this hero, but in the Hindi one is Madhuri and Anil.
Yeah, Telugu Ashil, right?
Yes, I think so. Yep.
Uh,
All right. So this ends our.
Ajay, which song was that? Is it tu 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 dara hota hai?
You don't know?
oh man, that would have like, you know.
तुम लोग को गैस से निकाल दिया तो तुम लोग को गाना समझ में नहीं आ रहा. गैस पे था तो फटाफट आता. बेटा धक्के धक्के करने लगा.
It's from Beta. Beta. It's a movie, yeah.
All right. So now we are in the last round. We have 8 songs for this round. 4 are each team gets a pick, and then 4 are complete buzzer. So anything can happen. Scoring is still the same. The process of buzzing is all the same. The round is Nava bold title bowl. Okay. So Nava na kalta bold title bowl means tumka title song sing korka. Okay. But this is an audio round. तर आम्ही तुमका एक पद ऐकयताची. The पद थोडे चेंज जाला voice and it's not same sounding. It is muffled. Okay. So you have to literally.
tape white jallar kashi jat tashi.
Yeah. So you have to pay attention and understand which song is it because it is completely muffled. And once you identify the song, that is not the title song we are playing. Okay. But that is from the same movie. All right. So once you hear that song, you have to identify the movie title. Okay. If you identify title, you get 15 points. If you sing the title song properly, 60 points. If you sing half, 30 points. Okay. And if you sing the wrong song or wrong title, minus 30. And passing also same scoring. Okay. So keep your buzzer ready. But pay attention. You don't get points for singing that muffled song. You get points only for singing the title song. Okay. Think before you sing because whatever you sing first is the answer this time. It's gonna be strict because this is the last round. You won't get a chance to change. So for this round, we have done with all the teams going D, A, B, C. So now we are back to A, B, C, D. Okay. But team A gets first pick, B, C, D pick, but all the passing is by buzzing. Okay. And then we have 4 complete buzzer. All right. So let me share again. The title is bold title bowl. You have 10 songs to choose from. Question 1 is for team A to pick. All other teams put your letter in the chat. Be ready to buzz. Team A, which song you want to play? One. Pay attention, okay? The speed, the pitch, everything has been changed. So it is not straightforward. And then you have to sing the title song, okay? All right, team A. Were you able to identify the song?
Tushar. Yeah, go on.
It's from Sajan.
Correct.
It's from Sajan.
Sajan is correct. But
This song was.
sing the title song of Sajan. Think before you sing.
जिए तो जिए कैसे हाँ बिन आपके लगता नहीं दिल कहीं बिन आपके. Then this other one to Shire hai, but yeah, I don't know if that's the
So
title.
this is your final answer?
No. I pass a song. I pass a title song, but the movie Sajan.
Okay, movie Sajan, title song is passed. The next team in the chat is team B. Team B is Natick Singers. Go for it.
So when you say title, the title Sergeant should come, right? Song that should come, right?
Yeah, you have to sing the song not just Sajan should come, but it should be the title song, like assigned the title song of that movie. Because Sajan might come in multiple songs. Okay,
No,
go
no,
for
but
it.
in this, yeah. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है, पर सामने जब तुम आते हो कुछ भी कहने से डरता है। ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन, साजन साजन, मेरे साजन।
Perfect.
The reason I said because the other song देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में, there also is Sajan is there, but that's not a title song. All right, so good job. So team A gets 15 for identifying and team B gets something for singing the right. I'll leave it to the judge. But so now moving to team B, what is your pick?
First.
No, first
So
is done.
First is done. Third.
All right. Everybody else, get ready to buzz.
रुकमणी शादी के बाद क्या क्या हुआ, कौन हारा कौन जीता, लेकिन से देखो जरा, आंखों में ये बाहें डाली मीठी बातें होने लगी, धीरे धीरे खटे होने लगी।
All right, team B, go for it.
Hamma, 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 hamma.
Okay, what is the movie name?
Movie name. Okay, Bombay.
Okay, sing the song.
हम्मा 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 हम्मा, एक हो गए हम और तुम, और निंदे और दिल ने निंदे रे।
All right, sorry, that was the wrong answer. Next, passing goes to team C.
Okay.
Team C.
Movie name Roja.
Okay. Song.
रोजा जाने मन तू ही मेरा मन, तुझ बिन तरसे नैना।
तू ही what? मेरा तू ही what?
तू ही मेरा दिल, right?
Okay, continue.
रोजा जाने मन तू ही मेरा दिल, तुझ बिन तरसे नैना,
आंखें बंद कर लो सांसों में तू।
नो, आंखों में तू है, सांसों में तू है।
No, you have to sing it.
बंद कर लो।
एक लास्ट ट्राई करंती।
ओके, तू सांग।
रोजा जाने मन तू ही मेरा दिल, तुझ बिन तरसे नैना, आंखों में तू है, सांसों में सांसों में तू है, आंखें बंद कर लूं, ओ मन में भी तू है, आंखों सांसों में तू, आंखों में तू, रोजा।
All right. So the song is right. I'll leave the scoring to Padma. I don't want to be that guy. All right. So going back. So now question 3 is for team C. All right, team C. What is your pick?
5.
All right. Everyone else put in your letter because I see some serious passing going on. So be ready to punch your letter. Team C, your clue.
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है वो तुम।
All right, team C, your answer. Title, first title.
दिल वा?
Is that your answer or you're asking me?
I am saying that is I'm telling that is the title.
All right.
Till.
Sorry. All right. Next team is Team B. Go for it.
आशिकी.
Correct. Song, title song.
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, आशिकी के जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए, आशिकी के लिए डडंग 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 डडंग, बस एक सनम चाहिए, आशिकी के लिए.
Good job.
Awesome.
So everybody, you got each other's points. So that is good. So yeah, with the didang 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 song went to next level. So so now Team D, your clue. Which one you want to go with? Bob Marley.
2.
2. Okay. So everyone else get ready. Question 4 in the chat. Put in your letter. Be ready.
Facebook audience also can type in their answers in the chat.
YouTube, yeah. All right.
Or
Team
YouTube,
D.
sorry.
Movies हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
Okay. Title song.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम, तेरी हो गए हैं हम, तेरी कसम हो, हम दिल दे चुके सनम, तेरी हो गए हैं हम, तेरी कसम, तेरी कसम.
All right. Good job. Good job.
Barichand Akshata.
All right. So now all the next ones are complete buzzer. So everybody has a chance to score. All right. Everybody put in your letters. Keep ready. I'm gonna play the song.
The final 2 clues for the
Final 4. 4. We have 4.
final 4. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
All right. 4 clues. 60 points each for grabs. You can still make it, win it. Everybody ready with the chat? I'm playing clue number 5. This was in our halftime show. Team A gets the first pick. Title?
So the movie is Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi.
Correct. Song?
And the song is
दिल है कि मानता नहीं, ओ दिल है कि मानता नहीं.
ये बेकरारी क्यों हो रही है, ये जानता ही नहीं. ओ दिल है कि मानता नहीं हो.
Correct. So we had A, B, D, but I see A first in my chat, so that's good. All right,
Okay,
team.
that's fine.
Next question. 6. Everybody be ready. I mean, you can put in now also if you want, take a risk, but you might lose. So
Yeah, that will make it interesting.
I don't want
You
to
should do
recommend,
that.
but you have a chance. All right. So next clue is
छुपाना भी नहीं आता, छुपाना भी नहीं आता, लड़ाना भी नहीं आता, हमें तुमसे मोहब्बत है बताना भी नहीं आता, छुपाना.
all right. Team C, A, D, B all have put in. I see team C first. Team C, your title. दिल का बदला लो, अभी आंसर दो. टाइटल. One answer fast. No, you lose 30 points if you don't say anything.
It's like here, it's not here.
आएगा बाद
No,
में
do
आएगा.
you
After
know
the
the
round.
title or you don't know the song? What is the confusion?
No,
I
obviously
know
they
the
don't.
song.
No, this song it doesn't count. You know the actual title
I
song.
know.
You know the title song? Obviously you don't know. If you'll know the title in the title song, right? All right. Okay. Team
No.
C, unfortunately, minus. Team A is next.
Bazigar, that's the name of this movie. And the song, Bazigar, oh Bazigar, दिल वालों का दिल, oh तूने खेल ऐसा खेला, तूने खेल ऐसा खेला, मेरा दिल था खेला, मैं जादू रात भर हो, बाजीगर ओ बाजीगर, दिल वालों का दिल भर, ओ तूने खेल ऐसा खेला, मेरा दिल था अकेला, तूने
जादू.
something like that. But yeah, that's the song.
All right. I'll leave the scoring to the judge, but the movie title is right. So good. So I think it's getting interesting. The teams
Oh my
are
God, it
really
is.
getting
It
close.
is.
So, all right. So next question is 7. Last 2 questions. Come on, guys. Be ready to chat. Don't put in if you don't know because it is I'm not helping you guys. All right. Team question 7, song 7. Here you go.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली चुरा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ ऐसी ये दिल की लगी.
All right. I have C, A, D, B. So team C, you get the first chance. Title.
खिलाड़ी मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
खिलाड़ी और मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. Final.
नहीं मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
Okay. Song.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी.
That's just the title, not the song.
Not the.
That's it.
Try again. Sing again. 10 seconds.
लड़की. I'm getting it there. खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. लड़की something. No.
जब कोई लड़की जब भी कोई लड़की देखे मेरा दिल दीवाना.
Don't sing wrong. Don't sing wrong. You'll lose points. If you don't know, just say pass.
No, pass. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
All right. So you get the right title, but not. So next team in the chat is A. Team A. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी title song.
Just try if you know it.
Now I knew that it was मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, and I knew
लड़की
exactly.
देखी मैंने, ऐसे चालू होता है ना? ऐसे चालू होता है. लड़की देखी मैंने, ना 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 ना.
No. So there is no negative in this because you already know the title. You are not singing it, but I don't know. So now next I have a team D.
हम दोनों हैं अलग अलग, हम दोनों हैं जुदा जुदा, एक दूजे से कभी कभी रहते हैं हम खफा खफा. लड़की देखी मुँह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली, लड़की देखी मुँह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली, साला आयला उपमा आइको पोरी आली आली. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
Vinayaka had ladki dekhi, but she didn't have the rest. So you should have just pushed it. But I would say if you don't know, don't say anything because you are just helping the next team with more words. All right. So last clue. Padu, you want to do one more or just this is the last? I have 2 or 3 more left.
I think we already said, right? We'll do
8.
4 buzzers.
Okay.
So I think let's go.
Okay, so let's go.
Last one.
Last clue. Everybody keep your chat ready. You can put in your letters if you want, take a risk, but It's very close, I think, with the scoring. All right, last clue is this one.
तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने मेरी हर धड़कन क्या बोले है सुन 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 सुन
All right, I have team C, D, B. C goes first. C.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
Song.
तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है. Finally.
All right. That was a good one. I think
Do we have any more, Raju?
I have two more.
YouTube audience ka cake.
Okay, let me play it. Or you want to do one more round of this?
No, this is done.
Okay. So all right. So this you can still guess, but this is for our YouTube guys.
Scoring.
No scoring. So when whoever is seeing in YouTube, they can put in the chat. We'll see later who got it right first.
चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू ये तो सारे पुराने हैं ताजा ताजा कली खिली है हम उसके दीवाने हैं.
All right. So I think the YouTube guys might have easily guessed it. So everybody here got it? All right, good job. And one more for the other folks.
पर्दा है 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 पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है पर्दा नशी को भी पर्दा ना कर दूंगा पर्दा पर्दा नशी को भी पर्दा ना कर दूंगा.
All right. I think that was a very easy one. Everybody got it?
Anybody, any guesses? सांग तुला ना कोणा काय?
आम्ही सांगितलं
points na.
scoring na.
अमर अकबर एंथनी.
Right. And song?
अनहोनी को होनी कर दे होनी को अनहोनी एक जगह जब जमा हो तीनों अमर अकबर एंथनी.
All right. So Padma, you have the final scores?
Do you want 5 minutes to just compare the notes?
Yeah. So Sudhir Prabhu, I see him online. So he can, let's wait, give him a minute. All right, Sudhir Anna. All right.
Hello.
All right.
Hello.
You can take over while I check the score with Padma.
Okay.
And then you can do the closing remark. We'll be
okay. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for joining, whoever joined from all over the world. So yeah. So Geeta is here, by the way. That was a fabulous program. I'm glad we are not in the finals. That was very tough. So great job putting this together, Padma and Ajay. Congratulations to all whoever is going to be the winner, and great job by the contestants. Super job again by Ajay and Padma, and appreciate all the effort in putting this together. So also the halftime show. We have competition here for the Super Bowl tomorrow. Great job, Amit, Sriram, Samarth, Sunil, and Vinay for their contribution in the halftime show. Okay, so about Kon. So it's been a while, right? So, okay, I'm sure you have heard enough number of times how the past year has been. Okay.
Go for it.
So I will save everyone from that speech. Okay. However, I want to say something that we miss everyone seeing in person. So I'm sure we can meet in person during our summer picnic this year. I'm cautiously optimistic about Diwali this year as well. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to the September-October timeframe. So, but for now, so long and see you soon. Back to you, Ajay. Looks like you're still trying to tally things up, but in the meantime,
Thank you, Sudhir. It took some time to go over the score. It was last minute. I think Team A had a good run. They almost caught up, so it was a good one. And then Team C had some wrong choices, wrong answers, which cost them a lot of points. So I will give it to Padma to tell the scores. So.
All right. So we have, this was like, I was getting nervous, like, abhi kya hoga? It was like too much for me. Like, ashi humman gelle hanga, scoring karta. I'll start with Team B. Team B is at 445. Big round of applause to Team B. Team C is at 465. Team A, which was like, you did awesome in round 4 and 5. I must just say that. I need to say that. Yeah. Team A is at 570. And our first winner. And our winner of the first Kone Antakshari. I don't know how to put it. Sudhir, you may tu sang hod kon sang tu.
No, that's okay. It's yours. The floor is yours. You announce it, Padma. Because I don't know the answer. I'm making use all of my outfits. Okay, go ahead, Padma.
And our grand winner is Team D, Bob Marley, Akshata and Avinash.
And their score is?
660.
Right. So Team A actually had a good run because Team A almost close, like it's only 90 points difference between A and D. And Team A in the start was like fourth team before halftime. So in the second half, they literally we would blame Bappi Lahiri, and for them it was luckily Kishore Kumar. Yeah, Kishore Kumar gave them a lot of points, but it was just so that's why I made you guys choose the Sargam, because I don't want to put anybody in the risk. So, but it's what it is. So next time, hopefully, we'll see.
It was exciting, very exciting, as just like Patriot Super Bowl, right? So it was just like that. It was very nice, very well contested.
So
Ajay and Padma, awesome job, amazing job. Like
we had more fun.
You made it like
job, guys.
More entertaining. It's really good. And I must. Previous link they enjoyed the prelim rounds and everything. Kudos, awesome job, man.
All teams, thank you.
We really appreciate your efforts. To me, I don't know like how many days you have put into this. Yeah.
No, all teams participating, teams, thank you.
Summer dance too.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
We had fun.
Participation is what matters, and I'm so glad tum pura jana avadla, tum it like on participate kella.
Yes, great time. Had a lot of fun.
Yes, nice to meet you guys also.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice to see you
So,
again.
Akshata, Avinash, you can print a plaque certificate and put it on the wall. So forever you will be the first winner, and Anil Shane, Vinay Shane, you will be always the runner-up for the first Antakshari. You gave a good fight, and all other teams like Pooja, Akash, everybody. Thank you. That's it.
Ani life anta Bappi Lahiri song aikala ranga udyattala.
Guys, do me a favor on that WhatsApp group. Please send your mailing address, please. Okay.
Small pack from Cone.
Yeah, we don't know what, but we'll send something over.
Yeah.
for all the contestants and the
Thank you so
winner.
much.
Thank you. That was
A big thank you to our YouTube audience. Thank you for staying with us. I don't know who is still on, but a big thank you for staying and enjoying whatever you saw in front of you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Purajana.
Thank you.
Bye.